Guys, do you want to create AI fantastic content? You can make your product video, realistic lip sync, even your video translation in multiple language through Wizstar AI. This is possible. I am going to show you how to create AI video. There you can also lip sync and product into video for fascinating ad to marketing. I am going to show you in multiple language. This is possible. Link in video description. You can create the account using your Google, Facebook or email. After creating the account, we have to open what we are going to demonstrate first. That is how to translate your video from one language to multiple language, and we have to select here first of all the video that has been uploaded. Here you can also see what is the original sound in the video, and next you have to choose that you want to next see in the video should be translated. And then you can also check out after done this process, you can add the subtitle according to your own willing size, and now the final product is here on the screen.
Hi, I'm David. Life has taught me that every challenge es una oportunidad para crecer. Trabajo duro, aprendo seguido y no me rindo.
In this way, you can use 12 plus languages here to translate your one language video into multiple. Further, you can also choose how to make AI video according to your need. You can also put your image, put the prompt, and using AI model to generate with different time scale. Next is text to video, where you can easily write the prompt, select the AI model size, and here we have to click on the prompt, and after clicking on the generate, final content is here on the screen. That is really
Wizstar AI, the all-in-one platform for AI video creation. Generate stunning videos, create realistic lip sync, transform products into engaging ad videos, and translate your videos into multiple languages with perfect lip synchronization. In this tutorial, we'll show you the complete process, step by step.
I hope you understand everything, and now I am going to show you how to create lip sync video with your just a picture. You have to select here, put the prompt to what you want in the video should actor speak, and then you have to write the text to video, define and select the voice. There are multiple voices in female or male character. Choose the ratio and size, click on the generate option, and final video is here on the screen that you will get in the lip sync.
This is very easy to create lip sync video on Wizstar. Enjoy your AI journey with it.
After that, you can easily explore here further AI feature that we can use for our daily uses, like our brand. We want to do e-commerce, and here is the product we have to launch, and for that we need some ad to explore and give the presentation, so we can create the ad for it. I am going to creating ad for the watch purpose, and here you can describe what type of ad you want, what type of traits are you want the shot in video, and after that you can choose the AI model and put here the size, ratio and quality, and after that you can easily click on the generate option, and your product final list will be shown in a very fascinating way that you can also enjoy on the screen too. I hope guys you understand everything about the AI video model. For that you can also upgrade your account, and here are the suitable on the monthly and yearly wise number of credit wise plan. You can easily upgrade your account, get all the AI feature to upgrade it more. And if you have any question related to this project, you can ask in our comment box.